Hello lovelies, I'm back. So yesterday I went to Southport to meet a friend, and also my mum came along with us, and she said, oh, before I forget and go on with what I came with. I'm like and like how we got talking was YouTube and also here now. So she gifted me, I couldn't believe it, she said none of it's been used. She gifted me a bag full of goodies. Now I have gone through this already and I love everything. I don't think there's anything in here I won't use. I think there's a liner made by Mitchell Liner. I do have tremors, like quite bad tremors, but I'm gonna try it out. So I am gonna show you. Where's this bag from? This bag's from IKEA. I'm gonna keep it. It's quite a strong bag. So let's get into it. So we've got the ISO Clean. I have never tried an ISO Clean brush cleaner, but this one, ooh, cleans brushes, clear skin. ISO Clean Paradise Scented Brush Cleaner, removes dirt and grime in 60 seconds, before and after use. So I think this is just the one where you just want kind of like, I don't think it's for a long-term clean. I think it's where you just want to clean it and then use your brush after it, isn't it? IsoClean's makeup brush cleaner is about to become an essential part of your skincare routine, removing germs, dust, dirt, makeup and dead skin that accumulates on your makeup tools in just 60 seconds. Clean brushes, clear skin, better makeup application. Yeah, I think it is. So like every time you use a makeup brush, if you just want to use this, you can. And I think I will be. Do you know what it reminds me of? Sol de Janeiro. Especially as it says Paradise on it. I don't know. Why does it remind me of that, guys? Do you know? Oh, the smell. Thanks, Jane. Oh, that's stunning. I know it's like a chemical with it being a brush cleaner, but that is stunning. Let's put it back in. She said she didn't use these products and thought she'd pass them on to me. And I'm like, yes, please. Right. I'll show you something now that I know I do like. Because I've got one of these in the bathroom. I got a set of 3 different ones. I got Dewy Bounce. I got this one in a smaller one, Glow Milk Mist, and I got the pore filter. They're in the bathroom, and I've got the full size as well. So yeah, I love that. I'm going to put it in the bathroom because I've got setting sprays here, there and everywhere. So I'm going to make the most of that. I think it's going to be really good. I have wanted to try this for so long. You can get them in a set. So it's by the Beauty Co. I love the Beauty Co. Everything that I've tried so far by the Beauty Co. I've absolutely loved it. So the Beauty Co. Peptide Calm 3-in-1 Cleansing Balm. I think this is really good to take to my mum's. I stay over most weekends, or even like when we're going to the theatre in July, and I'm just trying to establish, will it be worth booking a hotel? It would be worth bringing this. Look how cute it is. It's 20 grams. I don't really like opening new things. It smells very skincare. What does it smell of? What does it remind me of? It smells herbally. But I won't be using that until I've used all my cleansers. Unless I'm going away somewhere. Right. There was a lipstick in here that I want to put on because my lips are a little bit dry. And I actually put this on yesterday when me and my mum was in the coffee shop. So it's the PLouise Stay Shining. It's in strawberries and cream, I think. Yeah, it is. So let's zoom into this. I do really like these. I don't have much time for the business, to be honest, just because I've heard so much about it. So yeah, I don't have much time for that, but I do like the products that they sell. Smells so good. Why didn't you want these, Jane? I mean, works out in my favour, right? So that's that. That's a really good handbag size. That would be good for Project Pan, wouldn't it? I'd get through that in no time. But I've got a Project Pan lipstick. Then we have the Beauty Crop Avocado Poreless Primer. I'm always after a Poreless Primer. I don't have one. Well, I've got a Poreless Primer, but I've never tried the avocado line. So looks like that. We've got the Made by Mitchell. It says Face Case Graph Ink. So I think it's just one of his graph liners. Let me get some scissors. I can't make out what it says. Medium Muse or something like that. It says good form. Let's open it. Oh, it's black, which looks like that. Oh, I bet it's a twisted cap, isn't it? Oh, wrong way round, Andrea. Yeah, I don't know if I'll personally be able to use it, but I'm going to try. Just because, like I said earlier, I've got tremors, and at the moment I've been diagnosed with a health condition. I do want to talk about it with you, just because I know it's going to help people, but at the moment it's quite raw, so I'm not going to. And this is what I got off Jane video, so we will continue with this. But I think it's just that one thing where I'm like that. And she did say, you know, if I didn't want any of that, you know, I didn't need to keep it. So we've got 3 things left. So we've got, oh, I've never tried this either. The Beauty Crop Cherie Gripping Primer. I've only got one other gripping primer, and that came from Temu. So yeah, can't wait to try that. Right, so we've got another Made by Mitchell lip gloss, and I can honestly say I've never tried a lip gloss by them. So Made by Mitchell Beam. It looks pretty dark. It looks like it's going to be a good one for autumn. I'm definitely all about that brown, as Jane found out in Primark yesterday. I was completely drawn to 1, brown clothing, and 2, shells. It was so funny. Right, so what shade is this? I don't know. It should say on the actual lip gloss. Ooh, it's rosy. It's a rosy brown. Antidote. Ooh. Shall we just put a little bit on over that PLouise? That's not as dark. Ooh, I've got some in my hair. That's not as dark as it looks on the packaging, is it? Look how dark it looks. And then look at the packaging. Or is it just me? Does it look the same? I don't think so. So that's that. I won't be keeping the box to that. I know I like it. And then we've got another primer by the looks of it. Oh, this is a coconut one. The Beauty Crop Coco Gold Perfecting Primer. Skin Perfecting Primer. Hang on. It just says it's a skin perfecting primer, and it helps like make the base look perfect. Right, so I got the cellophane off it. I just want to test it on the back of my hand. Right, so it doesn't smell of coconut like I thought it might. So I've tested it here, just where there's no product. Ooh, it feels nice. And I just thought to myself, will it get rid of any pores, do you know, it does actually. Like here now, it's looking like it's just perfect, like it says. And the rest of the hand is looking a bit wrinkly. So yeah, I absolutely adore everything. Thank you so much, Jen. I'll try and tag you into this video. I love this lip colour. What do you guys think of it? I absolutely love it. So what I was saying is this is the perfect rosy tone lip to go like with rosy toned cheeks, rosy toned eyes. I cannot wait to do a look like that, and it's perfect for fall, autumn. So yeah, thank you so much, Jane. I really, really appreciate your kindness, and I'll see you all in the next one.